just refilled all the feeders, and already the cardinal. This cardinal, interestingly enough, has no feathers on top of its head. I've seen them around before, but. And then there's a downy woodpecker on that suet block, and a goldfinch on the aptly named finch stalk. There was for a while. Oh, there's some house finches. Yep, there's actually a second downy woodpecker on the back of that seed cake that I know you can't see right now. But these guys all came really quickly after I came back inside. There wasn't actually a whole lot of refilling to do, but cleaned the water and changed it out.